Easy steps to create your perfect homemade pizza from scratch. Welcome to the world of pizza making. Today we journey together through the art and science of creating the perfect homemade pizza from scratch. First, we start with the pizza dough, the foundation of our edible masterpiece. It begins with 4 simple ingredients: flour, water, yeast, and salt. Gather your ingredients. Aim for high-quality, fresh items. Remember, the quality of your ingredients greatly impacts the final taste of your pizza. Next, let's discuss the process. Making pizza dough isn't about slapping ingredients together. It requires time, patience, and a bit of love. Mix your dough ingredients in a large bowl. You're looking for a slightly sticky, but not messy, consistency. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Once your dough is mixed, it's kneading time. Work the dough until it's smooth and elastic. This is a critical step not to be rushed. After kneading, allow your dough to rise. Find a warm, cozy spot and let the yeast work its magic. This resting period is vital for our dough's development. While your dough rises, let's prepare the pizza sauce. A good sauce enhances the overall flavor profile. Tomatoes, garlic, and your preferred herbs are the key players here. Cook your sauce over low heat, allowing the flavors to meld together. Remember, a good sauce takes time, don't rush it. With the sauce simmering, let's move on to the toppings. The beauty of homemade pizza lies in the flexibility of choices. Go classic with cheese and pepperoni, or be adventurous with unique, gourmet options. Now, back to our dough. It should have doubled in size, a sign that it's ready. Gently deflate it, then it's time to shape your pizza base. Remember to preheat your oven. A hot oven is crucial for a well-cooked pizza. If you have a pizza stone, now's the time to use it. Spread your homemade sauce over the pizza base. Don't go overboard, you want a balanced distribution of sauce, cheese, and toppings. Layer on your chosen toppings. This is your canvas, paint it as you wish. Just keep in mind, less is more when it comes to toppings. Before placing your pizza in the oven, sprinkle a bit of olive oil and a light dusting of flour on the base. This helps achieve a crispy crust. Bake until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly. The intoxicating aroma filling your kitchen is a telltale sign your pizza is ready. Let your pizza cool for a few minutes before slicing. This allows the cheese to set and prevents a molten cheese avalanche. Finally, take a step back, admire your homemade creation. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of a pizza made from scratch. And there you have it, folks. Your perfect homemade pizza from scratch. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and remember, practice makes perfect. Happy pizza making!